Hello everyone, Peter here from Skating Magic, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean your inline skates. Welcome. Gather all the items you need for the clean. Here are the items you will need. 1. A 4mm Allen wrench. 2. A bearing cleaner such as the Bones bearing cleaning unit. 3. A bucket with enough clean water. 4. Regular dishwashing soap or a liquid laundry detergent such as Ariel Spring Downy Fresh. 5. Paper towels or a clean rag. 6. A rubbing sponge. 7. An old toothbrush. 8. Bearing lubricant if you're also gonna clean the bearings. I clean my bearings once every 3 months, but if you skate through puddles or in wet conditions, you may wanna clean the bearings immediately. And of course, you need a pair of dirty inline skates. Step 1. Remove the wheels from the frame using an Allen wrench. Make counterclockwise turns to do this. Step 2. Remove the bearings from the wheels with a screwdriver, an Allen wrench, or a bearing remover. Step 3. Remove the protective shields from the bearings using a pin, a needle, or a paper clip. Regular bearings typically have metal shields, while high-end skate bearings often have rubber shields. Step 4. Place the bearings in a container with a bearing-specific cleaner. This can be a glass jar with a lid. Shake the container for a few minutes to distribute the cleaning agent to all the bearings. Let everything stand for about that minutes to break down dirt and grime. Step 5. Cleaning the wheels. Dip an old toothbrush into soapy water and scrub dirt and grime away. A toothbrush enables you to get all the gunk lurking in the nooks and crannies of the wheel. Rinse off the soap suds and dry the wheels with paper towels or cloth. If you don't wish to remove the bearings shields, simply clean the bearings with soapy water and a brush. Step 6. Remove the bearings from the container and dry them with a clean rag. Lubricate the bearings with a bearing lubricant by adding 2 to 3 drops of the lubricant to each section of the bearings. Spin the bearings between your fingers to make sure the oil is distributed evenly. Reassemble the bearings by putting the shields back on and pushing them back into the wheels. Pop the first bearing back into the wheel, put the spacer on top of it, and then push the second bearing in. Step 7. Cleaning the liner, the boot, and the frame. If the liner is removable, detach it from the skate and put it into the soapy water. Then put the outer shell of the skate into the same soapy water and start rubbing with a rag. Then rub the inside and the outside of the frame with the same soapy rag. Step 8. Use clean water, either running water or water in a bucket, to rinse off the dirt and the soap suds. Step 9. Use paper towels or a dry, clean rag to wipe off any excess water from the shell and the frame and the wheels. You can also use a hair dryer to quicken the drying process. Step 10. Air dry the skate, the liner, and everything else. It may take, depending on the weather, 2 to 3 days to air dry the skate. After everything has dried out completely, reassemble the bearings, the wheels, and then put the wheels back on the frame, and you're done. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my content, if you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get more videos like these in the future. Thank you.